Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Plug the iPhone into the computer with an Apple cable and unlock the phone so it stays awake. When asked, tap Trust and enter your passcode. This authorizes access. On a Mac, open Photos or Finder. On Windows, open Photos app or go to File Explorer this PC. Once done, wait a few seconds for the device to appear. Make sure iCloud Photo Library isn't the only source. If it is, you'll need iCloud steps next. Now move Photos. On a Mac, choose Import in Photos or open the iPhone in Finder and drag the DSIM folder to a local folder. On Windows, click Import in the Photos app or open this PC, double-click the iPhone, then the DSIM folder to copy files. If most photos show as placeholders, they are in iCloud. Sign into iCloud. Com to download, or enable iCloud Photos on the device and on Windows to sync originals. Keep an eye. Finish by verifying the photos open on your computer, then back them up to an external drive or cloud for redundancy. Safely eject the iPhone. Click Eject in Finder or right-click the device in File Explorer before unplugging. If the iPhone doesn't show up, reboot both the computer and phone, try a different USB port and an original Apple cable, and ensure the phone is unlocked and set to Trust. If that fails, update iTunes or system software and retry. These steps resolve most detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.